This old guy DIY video will be the last one on tightening up these guy wires. So it's been 2 days since I poured the concrete. I came out here and put a ratchet strap in each of the 3 positions. So I just went from the concrete up here to the guy wire. I established the tension that I want on the guy wire on each of the 3 spots. Next, I'll set that bolt where it needs to be. Just hit it with a 9/16 impact gun. Tighten these things up, then I can take the straps off. This is the tensioning on number 2. This is the tensioning on number 3. In about 15 minutes, this project will be complete. I can't speak to your experience, but in my case, it seems nothing ever goes to plan. So it should have been a 15-minute job. It's taken me 40. I ended up swapping out those bolts with a piece of threaded rod so I could get more reach. I now have all 3 of the guy wires tightened up. You can see there's not a lot of give here. I'll just throw the dirt back in the holes and call this one done. The dirt is back in the holes. The only thing I have to do yet is bring some flashing down, put a predator guard on this pole. The flashing is installed. All that's left is for some bird to decide to call this thing home. This is like the Osprey Motel 6. We'll leave the platform open for them. Have a great night.